Listen, I'm gonna be brutally honest with you. Your focus is destroyed, and it's not your fault. You've been conditioned to fail. Every app, every notification, every dopamine has been conditioned to hijack your brain. But here's the thing, in the next 7 days, you're going to completely rewire your brain and build unstoppable focus. And I'm not talking about some motivational nonsense. I'm talking about actual neuroscience that works. So before we dive in, real quick, if you want to actually change your life and not just watch videos about it, hit that subscribe button. 93% of you watching aren't subscribed, and honestly, that's the first sign your focus is broken. You can't even commit to a free button. Alright, step 1. And this is the most important one. You need to murder your morning. And by murder, I mean dominate it so hard that your brain has no choice but to obey you. Here's what's happening. The first hour of your day sets your dopamine baseline for the entire day. If you grab your phone within the first hour of waking up, you're flooding your brain with cheap dopamine, and you've already lost. Your focus is cooked before breakfast. So here's what you do. Day 1 through 7, no phone for the first 60 minutes. None. I don't care if your house is on fire. Actually, that's a bad example, but you get it. Instead, you're going to do something that requires effort. Cold shower, workout, reading, journal. Something that makes your brain work. This resets your dopamine sensitivity and teaches your brain that effort equals reward. Do this for 7 days straight, and I promise you, you'll feel like a different person. Step 2. You need to enter monk mode for 90-minute blocks. This is called the ultradian rhythm, and it's basically your brain's natural focus cycle. Your brain can only maintain peak focus for about 90 minutes before it needs a break. But here's where everyone screws up. They try to push through for hours, get distracted every 5 minutes, and then wonder why they can't focus. Here's the protocol. Pick your most important task. Set a timer for 90 minutes. Put your phone in another room. Not on silent, not face down, in a different room. Close every tab except the one you need, and then you work like your life depends on it. No emails, no Slack, no checking your phone to see what time it is. Just pure, uninterrupted focus. After 90 minutes, take a real break. Walk, stretch, stare at a wall. Then repeat. Do 2 of these blocks per day for 7 days. And you'll accomplish more than most people do in a month. Step 3. Delete the poison. And by poison, I mean social media. Look, I know what you're thinking. But I need it for work. I need it to stay connected. No, you don't. You need dopamine, and you're addicted. And I'm not judging you. I was the same way. But here's the reality. Every time you scroll, you're training your brain to seek novelty over depth. You're literally rewiring your neural pathways to crave distraction. So for 7 days, delete every social media app. Not log out, delete. If you need it for business, use it on your computer with website blockers that limit you to 15 minutes a day. Your brain is going to freak out for the first 48 hours. You're going to feel anxious, bored, like something's missing. That's withdrawal, and it's proof you needed to do this. By day 4, something incredible happens. Your brain starts to chill out. You'll notice you can actually sit with your thoughts. You can focus on one thing without your hand automatically reaching for your phone. This alone will change everything. Step 4. Fuel your focus with precision. Your brain is 20% of your body weight but uses 20% of your energy. If you're eating garbage, your focus will be garbage. It's that simple. Here's your 7-day protocol. No sugar. None. Every time you spike your blood sugar, you crash, and your focus crashes with it. No processed carbs. Bread, pasta, all that stuff. It's killing your brain. Instead, you're eating protein and healthy fats for breakfast. Eggs, avocado, Greek yogurt. Lunch is protein and vegetables. Dinner, same thing. Drink water. A lot of it. Your brain is 73% water. If you're dehydrated, even by 2%, your cognitive function drops by 30%. That's insane. Most people walk around in a constant brain fog just because they don't drink water. And here's the secret weapon. Before your focus blocks, drink green tea, not coffee. The combination of caffeine and L-theanine in green tea gives you calm, sustained focus without the jitters or crash. This is what high performers actually do. Step 5. Protect your sleep like it's sacred. Because it is. You can do everything right, but if you're not sleeping 7 to 8 hours, your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for focus and decision-making, is essentially drunk. You wouldn't try to work drunk, so why would you try to work sleep? Here's your sleep protocol for 7 days. Same bedtime every night. Your brain knows it. No screens 1 hour before bed. The blue light destroys your melatonin production. Keep your room cold, like 65 to 68 degrees. days. Your body needs to drop its core temperature to fall asleep. And here's the game changer. When you wake up, get sunlight in your eyes within the first 30 minutes. No sunglasses. This sets your circadian rhythm and tells your brain it's time to be alert. Do this consistently for 7 days, and your sleep quality will skyrocket, which means your focus will too.